there you have it, guys. We've got our brand new tinted windows. And it's just a shame that these windows look nice and clean now and the rest of the car is completely dirty. I just want to give a massive shout out to Sean and the boys at Tint Me Up for working on Project Lynn. It was supposed to be just a quick 45 to an hour job, which turned into about a 2-3 hour job. Now I can't open the windows for 24 hours. Thank God that I've got aircon in this car. It is summer now, so it is getting pretty hot. That was another reason why I wanted to get the tints done as well, to keep it a bit more cool in here. Once again, thank you so much to the boys here, and thank you guys for watching this video. Highly recommend. Make sure to check them out. I will put a link down below this video. Go check them out, guys, if you need to get any tints done for your car or for your house or maybe for your office. Go check them out. See you next time.
Okay.